Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Jira Marketplace, and as we know, that is the best OAuth and OpenID SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video, we are going to set up Jira Single Sign-on with miniOrange using OAuth protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Jira dashboard, and click on the setting icon on the top right corner and select Manage Apps option. You can search here for add-ons in Atlassian Marketplace. Go to the Search tab and type OAuth SSO and press Enter. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policy and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. And after activation of the license key, click on miniOrange OAuth Client. Now you are on Configure OAuth tab. We will be covering miniOrange as an OAuth provider setup here. You can also go through the setup on this guide. Here you will get step-by-step instructions. So, firstly we are configuring miniOrange as OAuth provider. Go to the miniOrange login page and log in with your credentials. From the admin console, hover on the apps on the left panel, and select Manage Apps. Click on Add Application from the upper right corner. Navigate to OIDC card, and click on Create App. In the search bar, type Jira, and select the Jira application. Enter the client name. You will find the redirect URL in the plugin, which is used to tell the OAuth provider where to send the token after authentication. Copy it, and paste it in the given field. In the Add Policy section, select Group Name as default. Enter the policy name of your choice, and select Login Method as password. Click on Save. Your app is configured successfully. Now select your app, and click on Edit. You can see Client ID here. Click here, to find the client secret. Now let's set up Jira as an OAuth client. Go to Configure OAuth tab. As earlier we have selected miniOrange as an application. Copy the client ID from the application, and paste it in the client ID in the plugin. Copy the client secret from the application and paste it in the client secret in the plugin. In the application, scroll down to find the supported scopes. Enter email to fetch the email address of the user, and profile to access the user's profile data. Copy your miniOrange account's domain, and paste it in the domain name. Logout endpoint is optional. Check the state parameter checkbox. Click on Save. Now you can see successful OAuth settings updated message. To test your configurations, click on Test button. And you can see successful test configuration here, along with the first name, last name, and email ID. After successful test connection, you will get to see SSO button on the Jira login page now. Click on Use OAuth Login button and you will be redirected to miniOrange login page for OAuth authentication. Now enter your miniOrange credentials, and click on Login button. You will be successfully logged into your Jira dashboard using miniOrange credentials. Go to the user profile, to check the user data. You can see the user's email ID here. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.